Hey YouTubers, in case you're bored and you're visiting my channel again, I thought I would make you a video. So today's video is going to be on this Porsche. It's a 2000 911, which they also call the 996. Anyway, it's an older Porsche and it's got these headlights that I really don't like. So I want to replace those today, and that's what today's video is about. So here's what the lights look like. Here's the driver's side light. This is a true unboxing. I've never opened these lights. I ordered them. I'm here in Tucson, Arizona, and I ordered these from someplace in the United Kingdom called Design 911. Not sure where that is. And this is what's called a packing slip. So, I thought I was saving money because I was on eBay and these are about $1,200 a pair. And I thought, well, geez, I finally found them after an internet search for hours online, and it was $842.30, except those turned out to be euros. So $842.30, then there turned out to be a VAT charge, I believe, and then there was another charge when they got to the United States. So before they dropped them off, and I believe it was FedEx, they wanted another $50. So when you do the conversion, it came out to be right around $1,200. So if you're in the market for these, just get them off eBay. At least that's my advice. I don't know if they're the same lights, but they kind of all look the same. So let's go ahead and do the actual unboxing, so to speak. Let's see. All right. Reduce that size a little bit. There you have it. That's what the headlights look like, except you can't see them. So let's take the packing foam out, and wow, I really like the look. So that's what we got. And even though those are regular halogen bulbs, those can easily be swapped out for LED bulbs. So I'm not sure if one is parking or what the other one is. Just really don't know. So here we go. Here's what we're replacing. And that one there is sun faded compared to this one. So let me stop here. And this is what the lights look like with the city beams on. Now the city beams, there's a tiny little light bulb over there. So although it looks like your headlight's really on, it's not. These are just daytime running lights. I don't even know what that is, or I believe that's the turn signal. So let's do a little investigation. So here we have the emergency lights on. And here is the left turn signal on. Same bulb as the emergencies. And here we have your low beam lights. And these are the high beam lights. So the only real question is, what are those? So there we have it. Those are your driving lights. Interesting. To replace the headlights on a 996, you pull the front trunk or frunk open. Then you lift this, and there's a little red handle that goes to the right, thus allowing you to lift up completely. All right, now headlights. We'll have to go in through here, and this unscrews, and then there's a special Porsche tool, and I'll show you that in a minute. We're just going to move this fiber out of the way. Then we'll use the Porsche tool and release the headlights. So we're going to remove this right there and pull this back. Now I believe the access port is right behind here. So we'll stick the special tool in right here. This is your Porsche toolkit. It comes with your 911. And let me actually flip it around here so you guys can see. So it comes with a number of tools, but your headlight tool is this one right here. Looks like a small Allen wrench. That's the one that we need to do the headlights. So this is the tool that you need. So here's the tool that you need to take the headlight out. And we'll go give it a whirl. So we pull this down and we're going to stick the tool right in there. And then you turn it 90 degrees. There we go. Put this up here and you're going to twist it and that'll pull it out. But at the same time, I'm going to rock this. Oh, there we go. And no, I didn't take that out before. That's first. And it's got the plug. You can see the plug right there. So that's it for taking the headlight out. Now, I have not unboxed this yet. So here we go. I'm going to pull this out. And it has the same plug, which is right there. Now, everything should be the same. Let me compare. So some of you keen-eyed observers has probably noticed that it says RHD there. That would be right-hand drive. And like I said, I bought them because I thought that I was getting a good deal, that they were a lot cheaper. As far as a right-hand drive, I figured that's just the filament in the halogen bulb. Now, one thing you'll notice is this comes with a nice rubber gasket that goes all the way around. So we're going to do a quick comparison here and see what the difference is between the new headlight and the old headlight. So let's go ahead and do the full unwrapping and see if we can't find some differences. Now, bottom side, there's not a whole lot. Looks like the same shape of the plastic. You've got your, I think those are those where the latches. The biggest difference is in the back end. This is a sealed unit. Looks like you can take these tabs and bend them and get into here if you had to. There's your driving light bulb down there, and it plugs into the unit. And let's see the other side. There's the other side. And so this is a separate little piece right there. Here it's integrated in. You've got your LED lights. This would be your driving light, and this would be your headlight. So looking at it from here, it looks like we're supposed to put this rubber gasket seal around the outside edge. There are no instructions. All right, the moment of truth. We're going to peel and stick. So we'll peel that, and I've chosen to start on this side because I can see where the gasket ends, which should be right about there. So we get it situated on that top edge before we push down. And that is that. And we're going to do the same thing to this, only we're going to do it a little at a time. So I'm not pulling the adhesive off completely. Push that in there, and follow the contour of the headlight. And what I'm doing is I'm getting this edge right below the headlight itself. So that's it. What do you say we go plug it in, see what it looks like? Now I thought I would give you a view of what's in here. Here's the actual latching mechanism right there. And you can see when I turn this that it rotates and locks it. So that's what's going on there. And we have the plug, which is nice and clean, and everything else is kind of a little dirty. But I'll see if I can't dust that out. So here we have the headlight unit. And you'll notice that we're going to set it right here in these grooves and just kind of push it back. Let's see if we can't. Apparently that's the groove. Makes a real definite click. Let's see if we can get this side to do the same. There it is. That baby's in. Now let's see what it looks like. Beautiful. Wow, I didn't know it had the lights around there. Kind of looks like a late model Porsche. So let me show you what it looks like in comparison to the other side. So here we have it. The light is still yellow, and I'm probably going to go with an LED at some point. But this is a side-by-side comparison. And I really like that effect because it looks like a driving light. The city lights, late model Porsche. Love it. One down, one to go. I love it. They look modern. They fit perfectly. They feel quality. Everything works, plug and play.